everybody and welcome. My name is Eric and today this video comes to you as completely impromptu video because was talking to a fellow viewer who had a main concern about laying down his outboard. He apparently has some bad experiences in the past, so I'm here to clarify a few things about how to lay down outboards. I personally own this 9.8 Tohatsu and a 6 horsepower Tohatsu back there. These are built the same and I'm gonna go over. I'm gonna go over those details, that's what I mean. Okay, so let's say you want to lay down the outboard. Let's say you're taking it out of the car in order to put it to your inflatable boat or your thingy boat, whichever boat you may have, and you're concerned about laying it down or putting it in storage or transporting on the car. Like I do, I'll show you guys a quick clip of how I store it on my car. You guys can see it on my Prius. Anyway, so this is basically how this is laid down. Most outboards will actually have a sticker. Actually, let me bring you guys a little bit closer. Sorry about the shakiness. So, you guys see, most outboards have that kind of sticker. And it tells you that you're supposed to, this side that has no tiller is supposed to be up, which is this side. This is the tiller side. It usually tells you where you're supposed to lay it. Now, sorry for the shakiness. This is an impromptu video, not very professionally prepared. So basically, whichever outboard you get, whether it's a Suzuki, Tohatsu, Honda, each one can be laid down in a specific way. I know that for a fact that some Suzukis can be laid down on this side, front, and tiller, but not on the back. This one, unfortunately, the way it's built, can only be laid down on the tiller side, which I'm going to show you. So if I were to take it down and lay down on the floor, I will lay it like so, slowly. Literally, this is what I usually do when I'm taking my outboard out of the car. I take it out of the seat, as you guys saw in that clip, where it's on the seat, on the back seat of my car. I take it out, I lay it down on the floor near my inflatable, and that's when I wait for the inflatable to, inflate, putting it all up. Once it's ready, that's when I pick it up. Usually I lift it with the wheels and I just lay it on the tiller. I mean on the transom, that's what I meant to say. Alright. So yeah guys, this is an impromptu video again, not very professionally made. It's more last minute than anything else. But I wanted to make this video so I can show this fellow viewer that he can lay down his outboard in a specific way, though. It can only be done in a specific way. Whichever, by the way, my fellow viewer, if you're watching this, whichever outboard you have, whether it's Tohatsu, Honda, Suzuki, find out which side it can be laid down. Once you find out which side it is, you're gonna be just fine. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one. Later.